Hello, and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video, I'm going to show you round 14, even though you probably don't need it. I didn't want to leave it out. So you're just half double crocheting around 29 stitches total. So at this point, you probably already know how to do that. Just in case, you just do your 29 half double crochets around. Very easy. And then when you're done, don't forget to count them and make sure there's 25. No, 29. And the next one, we will start to do decreases, and I will show you how to do that in another video. So do your 29 half double crochets around, and we'll be ready for the next one after that. So thank you for watching. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Bye.